Hello friends, in our previous video we learned the example of linear equations in one variable based on geometrical applications. In that example we learned to find out the length of the rectangle when its perimeter and breadth are given. Now in today's video we are going to study the example based on consecutive integers. Okay, so now let's read the example. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? Now in this case, these three consecutive integers are unknown. We have to find out them. Okay. Now before moving to solution, let's discuss about integers and consecutive integers. Okay. Now you all people know the set of integers. 0 to the right side of 0, plus 1, plus 2, up to plus infinity, then to the left of 0, minus 1, minus 2, up to minus infinity. All these come under the set of integers. Okay. Now, what do you mean by consecutive integers? Now, consecutive integers are the integers which immediately come after the other. That is, the difference between any two ordinary consecutive integers is always 1. And in this case, for this example, we are going to consider only positive integers. Okay. So, now let the first consecutive integer be x. Okay. As usual. Therefore, the second consecutive integer will be x plus 1, because the difference between any two consecutive integers is 1. The second consecutive integer will be greater than this x by 1. Okay. Therefore, automatically the third consecutive integer will be x plus 2. Okay. So we have three consecutive integers in terms of x as x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Now let's concentrate on the condition given in the example. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. Now what do you mean by this? That is, the sum of three consecutive integers is 51. Okay. Therefore, according to the condition, we have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 51. Now in this equation, you know that the coefficient of x here is 1. We will add the terms of x separately and constant terms separately. Okay. Therefore, the x plus x will be 3x and 1 plus 2 will be 3. So ultimately we have 3x plus 3 is equal to 51. This is the required mathematical expression for solving this example. This is how we have to solve this example. Okay. In our next video, we will solve it further for finding the value of x. Okay. Till then, goodbye.